Trina.
Oh.
It's me.
Trina.
Hey, I saw.
I'm like, who done trying to kidnap my dog?
I know. I said, look at Mello at the door. He didn't move either. He was sitting there like, what you doing?
He knows it, girl. He in them people business over there.
Oh, that's what he doing?
Yeah.
That's them two men show like they're talking loud. What's up, Mello? What's up? Your shirt cute? Your shirt cute, Mello?
I asked him, he going to the beach?
Oh, why you barked at me?
Right. I wish it had more to see the back, how the back was.
Oh, that's cute. Them colors.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah, that's cute.
I see y'all been outside
When?
with the little Big Mike thing. I want to go to that too.
I ain't go.
I thought I saw you on
No,
there.
that wasn't me. Hey, I did the summit earlier that day,
Oh.
and then I was home. Keisha, I was tired.
Didn't we do we did the colors here on live,
Yeah, earlier.
but I'll repost some clips from it. Who is that Candy laughing? Because I said we on live. Do I do natural hair? I do silk presses on bob length or longer. That's it. Oh, I had put the AC on 75.
You gonna come like that?
Why you ain't come and get your dog though? You know, you just don't do him right.
That's not a toy.
How he don't do you right? He a dog, a baby, a puppy, a little old puppy. Yeah. Nothing. Why, I make you mad? Oh, guess what? Guess what, Troy? Guess what, though? My God, where you located? I'm in Lake Park, Florida.
People answered them.
What she said?
Like, she told me where we were.
Huh?
People answering. She told them where we were.
She what?
She told them where we're at.
Oh. Do I do Tasha K's hair? Yes, I do.
Oh.
Do I braid? No, I don't.
Oh, you seen what's the name on her?
Oh,
Queen. She told me, hey, y'all, I want to change my color next appointment.
who is that? Oh, Alicia. Hey, girl. What you want, girl? What color you want?
I'm reading back through the comments. I know we missed some.
I want you to get something else, too.
Thanks, Miss C, if you still on there.
2019, you had me dreaming of culture. You inspired me to go to school. Oh, that's what's up. How far am I from Hollywood? Like a 35-minute drive. I'm in Palm Beach. Yes, I've been doing time. Period.
That part.